Trieste is a particular city. You see the sea, and this beautiful castle, and is a romantic city also.
Yes, it is romantic and also historic too. You know, there's a lot of history here. On the way over, the tour guide told us that I think the city is over 2,000 years old, so it's a very old city, and not to mention it, very scenic. Also, I'm a big fan of the water, so we're able to look out on the water. So I'm really enjoying myself today.
In Friuli Venezia Giulia, the sea and the mountain are very close. This is very different from America.
From America? Yes, actually that's true. I feel like in where we're from in Boston, Massachusetts, we do have the ocean, but the mountains are a little bit further, so you're correct, they're not as close as it is here in Trieste. So it's kind of nice to see both. You can be on the water and then look up and see the beautiful mountains or the plateau, which I learned today. So that's actually really, really nice, yeah.
But this is not the ocean, it's a little sea, Mediterranean Sea. What do you prefer?
I prefer the Mediterranean Sea. The water is beautiful.
So you think maybe you can come back in Italy, in Friuli Venezia Giulia?
I would love to come back to Italy and to be in this area. Trieste is just beautiful. I've had such a wonderful time here, and I look forward to the rest of my time here.
First, you said me that you like the history of this place. Now we have make this trip. What do you think after an hour?
I am even more impressed with the city of Trieste. I definitely, like I said earlier, from a historical standpoint, I'm really impressed with you guys' history, and also once again the reception that I received since I've been here. The people here, the citizens here, have been very, very kind and very warm to me. So thank you.
What do you can say to the young players, child?
Most importantly, have fun. You know, with any sport, not just basketball, with any sport. It's most importantly to have fun and enjoy it, and be patient with it, because it doesn't always come easy to everybody. How are you? Have a fine day. Thanks for coming.